Hi friends, happy Tuesday. So today we're going to make pizza. Does anyone like pizza? I do too. But have you ever had watermelon pizza? That's right, watermelon pizza. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple watermelon pizza. This is perfect for a nice hot day. Are you ready? Let's get started. As for ingredients, all you need are 4 slices of watermelon, lime Greek yogurt, a knife to cut your fruit, a spoon, and a variety of fruits that you enjoy. Make sure you cut your fruit into small pieces and it's already prepared before you start to do your pizza. Let's get started. Now you can use a plate or you can use a tray for your pizza. I'm gonna use a small plate. First thing you're gonna do is grab your watermelon slices and place them on a plate in the shape of a circle or the shape of a pizza. Once you have them placed nicely, grab your lime yogurt and a spoon. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to add a layer of yogurt to the top of our watermelon slices. You can use the bottom of your spoon to spread the yogurt on. It smells amazing, friends. So we're gonna spread this all over our watermelon as if we were spreading our sauce on our pizza. Okay. Now once we have our sauce or our yogurt, we're going to add our fruit. I think I'm gonna start with my strawberries. These are your toppings. So you just place your toppings all around the pizza and layer your toppings any way you want. I'm going to use strawberries. I think I'm going to use a little bit of kiwi and maybe, what fruit starts with a P, friends, and it's yellow? You're right, pineapple. I think I'll use a little bit of pineapple as well. And how about, what's a green melon? Do you know, friends? You're right, honeydew. I'm gonna add a little bit of honeydew to my pizza. And this looks absolutely amazing. Now that I have all my toppings, my pizza is all ready to eat. And maybe I should give it a try. Yum. Bon appetit, friends.